What's up everybody? In today's video we are going to switch it up a little bit and talk about a fragrance that's for women. And if you are a guy, you definitely want to check this video out, so stay tuned. Yo, what's up everybody? Bobby here and welcome to the Twilley'S 2 Cents channel. And please go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell, because now you will be alerted when I get to upload new content for you guys, and your support is always appreciated. So let's hop into the video. Welcome back. So the fragrance that we are going to be talking about in today's video is going to be coming from YSL, and that is Ysl Libre Eau de Parfum Intense. Ysl Libre is listed as an amber fougere fragrance. I really don't get the fougere part for this, but yeah, that's what it's listed as. This fragrance right here came out in the year 2020, and the perfumers for this was Anne Filippo and Carlos Benign. I'm pretty sure I just butchered his name, but yeah, those are the perfumers that you have for this one. Some of the notes that you're going to find in this fragrance are lavender, mandarin orange, and bergamot. In the mid we have some more lavender, Tunisian orange blossom, jasmine sambac, and orchid. In the base of this we have some Madagascar vanilla, tonka bean, ambergris, and vetiver. The notes that really stick out in this to me would definitely be that floralness that you get from the orchid, definitely the vanilla and tonka bean, because this has a pretty strong sweetness about it. And I would say the jasmine sambac. Those notes right there with a little bit of that orange blossom as well are the ones that really stick out to me in this one. You get a tad bit of soapiness from the lavender, but it's not a lot. And overall, to me, I feel like this one is a good, well-rounded one. Something that's, not so fresh with the citruses up top. And like I said, this one is a bit sweet, but it's the kind of sweetness that I like with that vanilla and definitely that tonka bean. This is some great smelling stuff right here. Guys, if you got a chance to buy this one for your lady, definitely see if she likes this one. If she does, go and buy it, because this one right here is a special one. I really like this one. Let's talk a little bit about how this performs. I say for what you get with this EDP Intense of YSL Libre, you're gonna get things that are great all across the board. Great sillage, great longevity. For instance, this right here, if the person sprays this on and they leave the room, that scent that you get from this will linger for like around the next 15 minutes in whatever spot, wherever that person was at. If they were wearing this, you're still gonna smell it after they're gone. That's the type of projection, a great sillage that you can get with this one right here. But yeah, like I said, this one right here, great atomizer. Check it out. You get a good spray, covers, a good amount of arm and stuff like that. And like I said, the smell that you just get from it, projection, longevity, smells great, sweet, floral, everything that you can ask for. This is a showstopper. This right here is a soft, sweet, floral fragrance that is feminine, but I will say you would definitely have to have a very, 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 very confident guy, to try this one on. I think that it is possible for a guy to, get away with this one. And like I said, you just gotta rock it with confidence, because I think that as far as like perfumery and fragrances, the only thing that give fragrances a gender are us. Fragrances can be worn by anybody, whether feminine, masculine, or whatever. I would say with YSL, you can expect a typical YSL price anywhere from like $100 up to like $120, something like that. Especially for this 100 ml size, you can expect on discounters to get this one at around like $120. Something that's not like so super expensive. It's still affordable. And like I said, with the projection, longevity, the performance that you get out of this one, I would say that the price is definitely worth it. Fellas, this would be a good one to give your lady. I know we talk about a lot of unisex, more masculine leaning fragrances on videos like this, but when you get a chance to smell something like this lets you know that, hey, I should really start, venturing out, talking about some of the scents that's for women, because you can find some great scents. I know women have a plethora of fragrances to choose from, especially if you have stores like Bath and Body Works and things of that nature. But still, if you find one that stands out, this one right here, definitely needs to be talked about. So on the recommendation scale for Ysl Libre Intense Eau de Parfum, I gotta give it a 9.0 out of 10. A very solid feminine female fragrance that, for one, I am crazy about. Definitely, if you got a chance to put this one in your collection, put it in your collection. You won't be disappointed. And if you get it for her, she may not be disappointed as well, because this one is a good one. So that's all I have on Ysl Libre Intense Eau de Parfum. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, click the notification bell. And if you enjoyed the video also, leave me a like or a dislike, drop some comments, stuff like that. And also, check out one of these videos.